Hi there. I hope you're wondering how to access multiple applications and how to access software or test software, because in today's generation all we use are software applications and all we use are technical stuffs. For example, you want to work with certain applications on your computer and you don't know how to test them before you install it, because we have a lot of malware nowadays in the market, and people, they to send you links whenever you access videos online. You get a lot of malware. So before you access any particular video, it's important for us to test the software that you're installing, whether it's counterfeit product or it is a genuine product. So software is not about coding or decoding. Software testing is a department wherein we certify the softwares, we evaluate whether it's safe enough for us to use or not, whether there are any kind of bugs or not. So that is the reason why we do software testing. And there are 100 different ways of testing the software. So if you want to understand and if you want to be a part of it, so please log into our website www.edubreeze.com, and you will be able to understand more about software testing in 100 different ways. See you soon. Thank you.